going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. This is another one of my favorite songs from Buddy Holly. It's Well Alright, and I think it really showed that he was ahead of his time. Just the chord progressions, the styling, sort of the feel of it all was just really, really nice for the late 1950s. So let's learn this thing really fast. You put a capo on the 4th fret and you play a D major. D major right there, but that cool little beginning part goes like this. Open A string, and then take this finger off the D major and put it on the 7th fret of that A string, and then open D string, and then strum the rest of the D major. And then down to a C major, back to a D major with downstrokes. So I'll play it for you, ready? Do it again to D major, and now you go to A major, D major, and so it goes, well, alright, so I'm in foolish, D, A, D, C. You can just strum chords if you want to. A, well, alright, G, well, alright, A. D to C like that. Well, alright, G major. Well, alright, A major. Our lifetime D, C will be alright. Back to D major. C, A, D. Well, alright, D, C, D. It's alright. D, A, mixing up the lyrics. In the night, D lights, A are low, D. Well, alright, G. Well, alright, A. D, C, D. Well, alright, G. Well, alright, A. R, D, C. Will D, alright. Love those downstrokes. I love how he ended the songs on a good power note right there in D major, capo on the 4th fret. Love to hear what you think in the comments. Give me some more ideas for Buddy Holly. I just love all of his songs. Catch you later.